Introducing to you May and Bell. If you want to call them together, you call them May Bell. They are our lovely new addition, and I thought I would introduce them in this grand style. Can we get a clap, please? Here we see May giving us the skills, and we see Bell attempting to go through the tunnel of Rabbito. Let's see how she did it, or maybe not. So at this point, Belle decided, I'm not having this. I'm not built for this. I'm not doing it. I'm going straight back. You lot want to kill me. You lot want me to commit suicide. I'm not doing it. So Belle reversed all the way back. It was like, phew, you lot are crazy. So how did it start? I put a little sort of way for them to come from up to down. And what you're seeing is them deliberating and debating who's going to go first. And eventually, guess who? May, the bold one among the two of them, came straight down and tested the whole process and tested it a few times, encouraged Belle to follow up. Belle was like, are you sure? And Mabel is like, come on, May, come on, Belle, I'll show you how it works. I will show you exactly how it works. So how intelligent is Rabbit? And let's check out how she did it. She went in a few times to test it, and then she decided, no, I'm going to reverse all the way back and go again. So after testing for a few times, Maybell came out super victorious at the other side. Whilst Belle, you guessed right, is still not confident enough to go through. And you know, this is why they say rabbits need to be kept in pairs, because May is not having a lot of fun. She's not enjoying herself, because fun is not fun when you're by yourself. So she was doing everything she can to get Belle to calm down so the fun will be proper fun. So she was checking out everywhere while Belle was still struggling, making up her mind whether she's going to give it a go or not. She really struggled a lot, and May was frustrating. She was so frustrated, so she was like, you know what? I'm going to come up there and get you. I will come up there and show you how it's done. So Mel came all the way, and Belle was like, no, it's too scary. I can't do this. I'm too scared. You want to kill me? Sister, you want to kill me? Nah, I'm not doing it. I'm going back home. But it's going to be a lot of fun there, you know? So May have to convince Belle that it's a lot of fun. It's like, okay, this is it. Come on. Moment of truth. So, nah, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. You want to kill me, sister. Come on. Finally, Belle went down.
So how you getting on, mate?
Oh my goodness. It took a whole lot of May's
Are you getting
effort
on well?
to get Belle to come down. Now they were just going up and down as and when they want. These are our new addition to our pet collection, May and Belle. You're going to be seeing a lot of them. And now, as you can see, they are happy to go up and down. There is always a learning curve when it comes to what I'm doing with the rabbits in my ranch. You have to be patient in order to enjoy your pet rabbits. And this is part of it. Rabbits, it takes time for them to adapt. But once they adapt, that's it. They are so lovely animals and so nice and relaxing to view what they do, how they do what they do. But most of all, they are super supportive of each other, and that's why you should definitely keep them in pair, never single, because they're going to be bored. They like their own company, but they love each other's company as well. And it's important to keep them in pair for them to be able to exhibit and enjoy themselves the most. This is fun for them. This is a trial, and so far it's been super successful trial. So I'm going to be adding a few more bits and bobs to it so that they will be able to have more fun. This age of rabbit is when you have the most fun. I know at some point they might not even fit in that tunnel, so probably I have to think about increasing the size of the tunnel. But they are at the moment 9 weeks old. I'm sure they will be able to enjoy a few times before they start getting bigger, such that they won't be able to fit in again. But there we go. Rabbito Farmino. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, please do so. Look at that move there. And support the channel. Subscribe, like, share. Love it. That's all we can ask for. So, what is your thoughts? Have you got any other thing that you can suggest to me? I'm open to suggestions. I like to explore and I like to listen. But as I said, our ranch, we have the best of both worlds. So they got the indoors, but they all get a chance to come out. We will have 2 more ladies left because 2 of the ladies have been booked to be collected very shortly. So we'll be having 4 ladies left, 5 boys. If you're interested and you're in the Hertfordshire or in the UK and you want to start a rabbit pet, let us know. But rabbits are better kept together because that's when they help each other, they groom each other, and then they will love you. They will also show you the love. If you have a rabbit already, what is your experience with pet rabbits? I would like to know. Please share it in the comment section. A lot of people have got different views of how rabbits are, and I want to know. As much as I share mine, I also like to know what other people are going through with their rabbits for me to learn more. This is Rabbito Farmino. Please subscribe to help the channel grow. And Merry Christmas in advance if you celebrate Christmas. If not, doesn't really matter. Enjoy it anyway. It's time of work, isn't it? Rabbito Farmino introducing May and Belle. I hope you like them and they are here to stay in the ranch and give you some more quality love. Ease your stress If you watch them, they will give you a lot of love, and all they want is for you to subscribe, like what you're seeing, and support them.